there are more different kinds of carnivorous plants in the southeastern corner of North Carolina than anywhere else in the whole world. Venus flytraps they're quite numerous in many areas of the state where they're protected, but they have been in severe decline over many decades for a number of reasons. The main reason is the fact that the habitat within which they live, the longleaf pine ecosystem, is completely dependent on fire for its maintenance, okay, for the plants that live and thrive there. All of these plants have adaptations to fire. They have seeds that only germinate if exposed to smoke. They have seeds that require the bare ground on which to germinate, and the fire clears that bare ground for those plants. But the main thing for Venus flytraps is that they can get shaded out very quickly by any plants that overtop them, especially shrubs. So Venus flytraps and the other herbaceous plants or the wildflowers that they live with, when fire goes through, it knocks down all of that potential shade, and then they thrive in that bright sunlight. But another interesting thing too about this specialized habitat, which is called, in the case of Venus flytraps, they live in a special area within this longleaf pine ecosystem called a wet pine savanna. And so water is always present underground, and it's flowing through the system, and it keeps the ground, which is very peaty, wet. Venus flytraps, if they dry out, they die. So it's really interesting habitat where fire is important, but at the same time, they need to stay wet at the same time. And that's why Venus flytrap is so restricted to a particular range.